3, 2, 1.
Which type of membrane are ribosomes surrounded by? The answer is B, none. According to law, what must packaged foods carry? The answer is D, nutrition facts label. Who played Detective Wajohovich in the hit television series Barney Miller? The answer is D, Maxwell Gale. What disorder is associated with repetitive and persistent behaviors? The answer is B, obsessive-compulsive disorder. Who did Alan Rickman portray in Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves? The answer is C, the Sheriff of Nottingham. What is the missing verb from the Chinese proverb originating from the works of Chinese philosopher Confucius? I hear and I see and I remember. I do and I understand. The answer is B, forget. Sid Haig's first acting job was an exploitation director Jack Hill's student film The Host. On how many films did Haig and Hill collaborate? The answer is B, 9. Which is likeliest to harm an organism? The answer is A, naval mine. Which game features the city of Metropolis and Superman? The answer is D, Lego DC Supervillains. I've got my knees in the sand, and I'm always fighting a losing battle. Who am I? The answer is C, crab-like creature. What is it that's so full of itself it has to burst? The answer is B, bubble. Who developed the concept of cognitive maps? The answer is C, Piaget. From what tribe of Israel was Samson according to the Bible? The answer is A, Dan. The following words were spoken by the character Carl Denham in which 1933 movie? Oh, no. It wasn't the airplanes. It was Beauty Kill the Beast? The answer is B, King Kong. In physics, resistance is opposition to the flow of what? The answer is B, electrical charges. What was the Norse equivalent of the Greek Olympus? The answer is A, Valhalla. Which drug is commonly used to treat high blood pressure? The answer is D, beta blocker. All matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. All atoms of an element are identical in mass, and this? The answer is C, chemical properties. The Amazon rainforest spans how many countries? The answer is D, 12. What was the name of the song played at the beginning of Rocky Roman IV? The answer is A. Eye of the Tiger. Who described Russia as a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma? The answer is B. Winston Churchill. In 1984, Joseph Kettinger became the first person to cross an ocean alone in a hot air balloon. Which ocean did he cross? The answer is A. Atlantic Ocean. What is the official motto of the U.S. state of Alabama? The answer is C. We dare to defend our rights. On what part of her body did actress Charlize Theron have a fish tattooed? The answer is A. Ankle. What type of cells are beta cells that are found in the human body? The answer is B. Neurons. The Pentagon is located in what American city? The answer is D. Arlington. According to a survey, what percentage of American cat owners admit to blow drying their feline after giving it a bath? The answer is A. 25%. What is the first program ever written, known as? The answer is D. Planck-Cool. What equipment is used for curling? The answer is C. Rock. What is a sidereal day in astronomy? The answer is C. Time it takes sun to rotate once. Which mathematical term means impossible? The answer is D. Undecidable. What is the unit of computer memory named after? The answer is C. Byte. Which language has the most vowels in its alphabet? The answer is D. Esperanto. On what children's show did George Carlin play the part of Mr. Conductor? The answer is C. Shining Time Station. Shale is a common sedimentary rock. Which of these was required to form shale? The answer is D. Compacting. Which of these would be most ideal for plant root growth? The answer is B. Soil with worms burrowing around. Bill Murray was nominated for an Academy Award for his role in which of these films? The answer is A. Lost in Translation. Bacteria can cause people to become what? The answer is A. Unwell. I spin a golden thread that nobody can see. Who am I? The answer is C. Loki. The plot of the famous Broadway musical West Side Story is based on which source? The answer is D. Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Which car manufacturer was founded by Henry Ford? The answer is C. BMW. Which of the following is a type of plaster used to paint on? The answer is B. Gesso. Which famous psychological experiment involved the Stanford Prison Experiment? The answer is A. Zimbardo Experiment. What equipment allows skaters to slide faster on ice? The answer is B. Skates. What year did the first iPad be released? The answer is D. 2009. How do the nutrients necessary for plant growth get into the soil? The answer is C. Organic matter is decayed in the soil. What is the name of the theory that suggests government intervention in the economy should be minimized? The answer is D. Supply-side economics. What are observable patterns of stars found in the night sky called? The answer is D. Constellations. What is the universal symbol for no smoking? The answer is B. A prohibition symbol. Students are learning about different types of waves. Which is the least likely way for the students to generate a wave?